What's the meaning of broodiness? Broodiness. Broodiness.
Broodiness. Broodiness. Broodiness is a behavior displayed by hens when they have the tendency to sit on eggs for an extended period of time with the intention of incubating and hatching them. This behavior is caused by hormonal changes in the hen, which can disrupt the egg-laying cycle. While broody hens can be useful for hatching chicks, it can also lead to decreased egg production and an increased risk of disease if the hen is kept in unsanitary conditions. Additionally, broodiness can cause aggression towards other hens or humans, making it difficult to handle them. Overall, while broodiness can be beneficial in some cases, it can also have negative impacts on flock management.